In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall GOG Galaxy on Windows in just a few simple steps. Whether you're cleaning up your computer, troubleshooting the launcher, or just no longer need it, this guide will walk you through the full process from start to finish. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, click on the Windows search bar at the bottom of your screen. Once it opens, type Control Panel into the search box. When you see it appear in the results, click Open to launch it. Now that the control panel is open, look for the option called Uninstall a Program and click on it. This will take you to a list of all the programs installed on your computer. From here, scroll through the list and find GOG Galaxy. If you have a lot of apps installed, you can take your time and look carefully until you spot it. Once you find GOG Galaxy, click on it once to highlight it. After it's selected, go to the top of the window and click the Uninstall button. Windows may ask you to confirm that you want to remove the program, so just follow any on-screen prompts to complete the process. After that, the uninstaller will begin removing GOG Galaxy from your computer. Depending on your system, this may take a few moments. When it's finished, GOG Galaxy should be fully removed from your PC, and that's it. You've successfully uninstalled GOG Galaxy using Control Panel. If this tutorial helped, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a helpful walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.